let us open up June. So this is the June box, and it's a lot bigger. Okay, this one's a lot more, actually. It folds up. Oh, it's Caribbean Queen, honey. Caribbean Queen. Oh. Okay. Let us open this up. Boom, brushes. More brushes, guys. So these brushes are from Luxie. It's a 3-piece flawless complexion. Precision foundation face brush. With less bristle density, this brush is perfect for applying both powder and liquid foundations to create a soft, diffused makeup look. Tapered highlighting face brush, 522. This fluffy, tapered brush allows you to seamlessly apply your favorite powder, highlighter to the high points of your face or set your under-eye makeup. And then you also get a dual fiber powder brush, number 516. Use this ultra soft dual fiber brush to apply cream or powder makeup for a softer, flawless finish. They are handcrafted makeup brushes with high quality soft synthetic bristles using hypoallergenic, vegan, and cruelty-free materials. So these brushes are from Luxie, and the retail value of these brushes is $42. So let me open her up. I love getting little brushes. I mean, they've sent me a brush in the past, and I'll be honest, they're not the most sturdy brushes. I use it every day, and it's already like starting to fall apart. So maybe it's good that they send me these brushes to replace that one. Oh, cute! So you have like the 3 brushes here. So this is like a much flatter duo fiber brush. I guess this is the one that they're talking about. It has like a more feathery kind of feel to it. So this would be good for like highlighting. Brushes that are much more fluffier or feathered, those are best for sheer application. So again, that would be good for highlighters or for setting underneath the eye using as light setting powder. We have like a more denser, like dome shaped one. So this is the dome shaped brush. So it has a little bit of a flatter, but it has like a more of an egg shape. So again, that's really good for like contouring, like around like the nose area, things like that. And then you also have kind of like a flimsier, longer tapered brush, which again would be good for highlighting and powder application. So, but because they're synthetic, you can use synthetic bristle brushes with liquids or powders. You could use this for like a cream or a liquid highlighter. Because they're synthetic, it should put it on beautifully. But again, really good brushes. Let's see what else we have in here. So we have this cream. This cream is called the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Let me show you. Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. I've seen this at Sephora, like the full-size ones. And I kind of liked it. I mean, the smell is weird. It's like one of those smells that it smells really good at first, but then you get sick of it. You're like, this starts making you nauseous. Let me make sure this is the right one. Yeah. It's like a very strong vanilla scent. Hold on, let me read it here. So with this Bum Bum Cream, Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the Bum Bum. So cute. It's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. So it's a caramel. That pistachio caramel leaves skin delicately fragranced. Girl, it is not delicate. It is strong. And I remember, I think it was Tati loves this cream. Tati is a YouTuber that I follow because she's really good with reviews and stuff. And this is one of the creams she like was going crazy about and like loving. So when I saw it at Sephora, I put it like all over my arms and I was like, oh, it must be good because she thinks it's good, and because I really look up to her like reviews because she's really thorough and things of that nature. And the smell made me nauseous. Like after like a few hours, I could still smell it on me. It was like so strong that I had to wash it off. So, so this might be going to someone that could appreciate it more than I can. Next. So the next thing is another lip product. Ugh. Yes, another liquid lip. They always give us liquid lips in these things. So this one is by Ofra. It is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick is a one-step full lip color that does not feather. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. They are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives a beautiful edge to your lip look. The retail value is $21. Oh, so the retail value for the Bum Bum Cream, by the way, is $10. So it looks like it's like a travel size because the originals are like much bigger. I already have the lipstick from the other one on, but as you can see, let me do a swatch here. It is more nude, which is much more my speed. And I've tried these lipsticks before, and they're okay. They're like a standard liquid lipstick. They're not as good as my Smashbox liquid lipsticks, but again, they're good. Now, this is a liner of some sort. So these liners are by Jante Blue. It's a waterproof eyeliner pencil. It's 100% vegan, waterproof eyeliner pencil, glides on smooth. For an elevated eye look, use along the upper lash line or waterline. And it retails for $5. So, okay. Let's see. Let's see how it looks. What colors they give us. Oh, they kind of gave me like a gray. What color is this? Charcoal. So it's kind of like a grayish color. Oh, look at my tan line. But yeah, it's like a grayish color. Okay, cute. I have two things here. Oh, this one is lashes. Hello, my favorite. So this is a box here of lashes by a company called Baddington. They're Monroe Silk Lashes. The 3D multi-layered Baddington Monroe silk lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding a volume and length to your lashes. These they're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. I never use my lashes up to 25 times because I have so many, but whatever. Let's see. So it has a very cute box. So this is the box again. And it opens like so. Girl. Okay, those lashes are too small for me, honey. What am I gonna do with those lashes? I'm gonna put them right at the bottom. That's what I'm gonna do. But these lashes retail for $28. They're so natural. So natural. Okay. So I might give these away or something, put them in a giveaway. So those retail for $28. All right, next. Okay, so the next thing is, okay, this palette here by a company called Alamar. It's called the Reina del Caribe. This palette features 8 highly opaque shades reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in the intense metallics, or ground your look with the warm richness or the creamy mattes. For a more intense application, refer to the shade names that feature a water droplet that can be used with a wet brush. The sun symbol for application with a dry brush. This palette retails for $28. Okay, so let me see how she looks. Okay, those are cute. Very cute. So these are the color Very Tropical, Very Caribbean, which I'm loving. Let's just do a few swatches to see. Let's do this kind of green one called Celia. I'm assuming it's like named after Celia Cruz. Let's take a look. Let's do it right here. Oh, not bad at all. And then let's do a swatch of this red one down here. Like this red one. Let's do a swatch of that. See how that looks. Okay. Not mad at it. Alright, so because I already have makeup on my eyelids, I will reserve this for another look at another time. But just from touching them, they feel pretty good. They feel nice. I feel like the shimmers feel very nice. Let's just put a little bit of the light color. I'm going to use La Costa here at the top. I'm just going to use that as a brow highlight just to see how it feels, you know? Oh, pretty. Okay, I'm not mad. Nice. Okay, I like it. Very cute. I think this is a really good value too because all these colors are like really pretty. And for 28 bucks, that's not bad. All right, guys, so that is it. I have showed you everything that came in the 2 Boxycharm boxes for both May and June. And again, I think it's totally worth it for, you know, anyone out there to get a subscription with Boxycharm because they always give you so much value in every single box. Even though you're not going to use some of the products, like for me, I know I'm not going to use this Bum Bum Cream because I hate the smell. The smell makes me nauseous. And some of these other things, like these lashes for me, like way too natural for me. I would rather just not wear any lashes if I had to wear those. Or I'll use them as bottom lashes to complement bigger, more dramatic lashes. So that could be an option. But again, this particular box for June, let me add it up. So this box was worth $134, which again is a great value considering it was only $20 for this for every month for the subscription. So again, really great value. Guys, let me know if you like these videos, if you like when I do little unboxings of my little Boxycharm subscriptions. I think it's fun because, you know, it's always a little surprise for me to open them up and see what I get. All right, guys, so that is it for this particular video. I hope you had fun with me as much as I had fun unboxing all these Boxycharm boxes that I got in the mail. Let me know down below if you like these kind of videos of my little unboxings with Boxycharm every month. Please feel free to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as hitting the bell icon to receive notifications when new videos are up. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.